Have you ever looked in the mirror and thought, I'm doing everything right, so why does my skin still look so blah? Well, today, we are pulling back the curtain on those tiny, everyday habits that are secretly wrecking your skin's glow. And the best part? Stop them now, and you could seriously see a change in just 1 week.
Okay, let's just get right into it. We have all been there. You spend a ton of money on fancy products, you follow this super detailed routine, and you still look in the mirror and see dull, tired skin. It's so frustrating, right? But the answer might not be what you think it is.
You've got the serums, the cleansers, the masks. You've tried the whole shebang. So why isn't it working? You feel like you're doing it all by the book, but the real problem? It's hiding in plain sight.
And here it is. This is the secret. The real issue isn't what you're adding to your face. It's the little things you do every single day, completely on autopilot, that are slowly but surely stealing your natural glow.
So, let's start the countdown with some of the sneakiest mistakes. These are the ones that kind of fly under the radar, and you might be surprised to realize you're doing them without a second thought. We all want that quick fix, don't we? It's so easy to fall into the trap of thinking more is more with skincare. You see a new trendy product and boom, it's in your cart, because you're hoping for that miracle. But that's exactly where the trouble begins. Honestly, when you bombard your skin with a bunch of different chemicals, you're disrupting its natural, delicate balance. You're messing with its pH, you're confusing its oil production, and your skin just freaks out. It either gets way too oily or so dry and tight that it looks totally lifeless. Okay, now this one might sound a little weird, but stick with me. Did you have any idea that the way you breathe has a direct impact on how your face looks? If you're a mouth breather, especially when you're concentrating or sleeping, it's affecting not just your skin, but your whole facial structure. And I mean, just look at the comparison. It's night and day. When you breathe through your nose, you're actually circulating oxygen the right way, boosting blood flow to your face. The result? Your skin looks tighter and you just look more awake and refreshed. It's such a simple switch with a massive payoff. And listen, we're not just talking about obvious stuff like cake and candy. The real villain here is all that processed sugar hiding in our everyday lives. It's in your cold drinks, your fancy coffees, those morning pastries, and yeah, even in those healthy energy drinks. When you eat too much sugar, it literally starts a chemical reaction in your body that attacks and breaks down collagen. You know, collagen. That's the protein that keeps your skin firm and bouncy and young. Without it, your skin starts to sag, and your face just looks tired and older, no matter what your actual age is. Okay, this is a big one, a huge one. So many of us think sunscreen is just for the beach, right? For sunny days outside. But the truth is, those damaging UV rays are pretty much everywhere, even when you're just chilling indoors. Just think about it for a second. You're working by a window, you're scrolling on your phone, you're watching TV. Those aging rays can go right through glass, and they spend all day slowly breaking down your skin's collagen. Over time, that's what leads to wrinkles and spots. Making sunscreen a daily habit, no matter what, is an absolute game changer.
All right, now we're getting to the heavy hitters. These next 3 habits, they have the biggest, most obvious impact on your face. If you can get a handle on these, you are pretty much guaranteed to see a major difference.
It's wild how often what we call a dull face is really just a dehydrated face. When your body's thirsty, your skin gets all tight and rough, and that natural, dewy glow just completely vanishes.
You can slather on the most expensive cream in the world, but that's all surface-level stuff. Real hydration starts from the inside out. Water boosts blood flow, it flushes out all the gunk that clogs your pores, and it keeps your skin soft. If you aim for about 3 to 4 liters a day, you'll not only look fresher, you'll feel less tired too.
Oh, we are all so guilty of this. Resting your chin on your hand when you're thinking, rubbing your eyes when you're tired. Just those little absent-minded touches throughout the day. It seems so harmless, but it's one of the biggest hidden causes of skin problems.
So here's the deal. Your hands touch everything. Your phone, your keyboard, doorknobs, all of which are covered in bacteria. Every time you touch your face, you're giving those germs a free ride directly to your skin, which clogs your pores and causes pimples. It really doesn't matter how amazing your face wash is if you keep putting dirt back on your face all day long.
Okay, we've gone through some really big ones. But there is one habit that is so underrated, yet it holds the key to whether you look vibrant and energized or just completely exhausted.
That's it. The #1 habit absolutely destroying your glow is not getting enough sleep. You know the vibe. You're scrolling on your phone late at night, telling yourself, okay, just one more video. And the next thing you know, it's 2 in the morning. You're not just losing a few hours, you're robbing your skin of its chance to repair itself.
And the science here is crystal clear. Nighttime is when your body goes into repair mode. When you get a solid 7 to 8 hours of sleep, your body is busy producing all that amazing collagen we keep talking about, the stuff that keeps your skin tight and glowing. If you break that cycle, your face isn't resting, it's just trying to survive.
So, we have identified the enemies of your glow. But here's the good news. The solution is actually really simple. It's not about going out and buying more stuff. It's just about stopping these few habits. This is your game plan.
And there they are, all in one place. Simplify your skincare. Breathe through your nose. Ditch the sugar. Wear your sunscreen every single day. Drink that water. Keep your hands off your face. And please prioritize your sleep. It's a simple promise. Stop these 7 things starting today, and you will absolutely see and feel a difference in just 1 week.
So I want you to really think about it. Which one of these is your kryptonite? Is it the late night scrolling, the sugary drinks, or maybe that sunscreen you always forget? Figuring out your own hidden habit, that's the first and most powerful step to getting your glow back.